Trap House Mob.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and if you are returning, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Sephora haul and an unboxing for my Fenty skin. I'm super excited, especially about this Fenty skin, these products. Like the Sephora stuff, I've had it for about like 2 weeks now, and I just wanted to do this haul with you guys, a small mini haul. The Fenty skin, it came in about a week and a half, so the shipping wasn't that bad, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got today. And yeah, all the products I got will be listed down below. The price will be listed down below. My website, my Instagram, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Yeah, y'all know the deal already. All right, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with the Sephora bag. Let me get the receipt out so that I can tell y'all how much was everything. Alright, alright, let's get started. So the first thing on the receipt, I'm gonna go in the order of the receipt so I could just tell y'all, it was $13, and it is the Pore Professional primer from Benefit. This was $13. I got the smaller size because I just wanted to try these products out. For a lot of the stuff I bought were like the smaller sizes, but I know that, well, I've heard that the baby skin primer by Maybelline, which is what I usually use like a lot of in my tutorials, is like a cheaper dupe for this. So I feel like this, you know, like I have an idea of how this is gonna work underneath my makeup or foundation, so I'm excited about that. And if I do like it, who knows, I might go out and buy the full size. What I did really want to try was the Smashbox primer, but instead of getting the regular size, I just went ahead and got like the little sample set, which was $29. It comes with like 3 primers and a setting spray, which I don't think is that bad for $29 in a Smashbox. Like, you know, I don't wear makeup every day, so I'll just open it. Let's see. So it comes wrapped. I actually did not know that. Okay, this is my first time opening any of this stuff. So this is like it says Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer. This is what it looks like. It's super small, like super small. The next one is this is a primer and moisturizer in one. Next, I think this is the primer water. It says Set and Refresh Spray. So this is what it looks like. Now this is something. This is for like a sample. These things are like super tiny, like super small. Okay, and then the last one is what I actually wanted to buy in the store, which is the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So this is what they look like. And yeah, let's just put that back in the box. I'm actually excited to try this. I've used this, I was doing my friend's makeup one year for her birthday, and she actually had this set, so I tried the primers for it, and she said they worked really well on her, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna work for me. The next thing I got was this Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Glass Slipper. They did not have like samples and like displays out in Sephora due to COVID. So I just assumed that this was a clear lip gloss because it said glass slipper and glass slipper is clear. So let's see. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought. It's a clear lip gloss. You know, we already love the packaging. We love Rihanna over here, so this was like this. Okay, smells good. I think I'm gonna like this. Let's try it. Yep. I love it. This is what it looks like. And it smells like, not fruity, but like, I don't know. Not fruity, but it smells sweet. So that's that. And this was $19. Moving on to the next Fenty product that I got. I really should have saved Fenty for last, but whatever. So this is full frontal volume lift and curl mascara. This mascara was $24 and it's in the shade Cause I'm Black. Can we open this? Let's see. I've actually never heard anybody use this mascara before, but so this is what it looks like. Of course, bomb ass packaging. The bomb looks like. I'm definitely gonna use this in one of my tutorials. Ooh, I like that it locks, so you know that it's like. This is so cute. This is cute. Alright, so that's what that looks like. I'm gonna definitely make sure I'm using these products in my tutorial so you guys know. Maybe I might do like a full face using all these Sephora products. Who knows? Stay tuned. And then the next thing that I got was from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the liquid eyeliner. I was really looking for a new eyeliner because, alright, so I don't know how many NYX stores they have like in the US, but I know there's one in Brooklyn. But I don't know if they're open or not. And then like I usually use like the NYX matte liner, but I was like, let me try something new. So I got the Anastasia one, and I'm praying that this is not like a velvet tip because that's what I do not want. It is a velvet tip. I most definitely asked the lady that in Sephora, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. I guess because you can dip in here, it's not that bad. But I hate velvet tips. I really do. But who knows? Maybe this might be it. Maybe this might be it. That is what this looks like. And this is what the tip looks like. Okay, the problem I have with these is that they dry out so quick. But we're gonna put this to the test. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, and that is that. The last thing I got from Sephora was this Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This concealer was $10. Again, the little sample size, and I picked up this shade 50H Deep. Again, because they don't have samples in Sephora, this was like, you kind of gotta look at it and assume. So that's that. I feel like this concealer is good. I I like my concealers to be like a caramel color, and I think this is pretty good. There we go. There we go. All right, so that is that. And then the last thing, I didn't pay for it, but it's just a sample. It's a Sea Rush brightening gel cream from Hendrickson, Ole Hendrickson. It's a facial moisturizer. Oops. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I don't know. I just asked if they had samples. She was like, I can give you this. I was like, okay, cool. Now, on to the good stuff. Well, even greater things. So, on the inside of the box, this is what it looks like. It says Fenty Skin. We love to see it. And then it has like the tissue paper. My receipt. So, alright. So for this, I bought two things. I bought the cleanser and the toner. The only reason why I did not buy the moisturizer, which I'm not gonna lie, I kind of regret getting it after I bought these things, was because the moisturizer that I use now from, what is it, Aveeno? Yeah, I'm gonna put a picture here. I feel like it works good with my skin, so I didn't want to change it. I didn't want something that wasn't gonna work well for oily skin. I didn't want something that was going to make me shine. So that's why I decided not to buy those products and just to buy the cleanser and the toner. And then when I saw the size of these products, I was like, this is a good size. So I'm gonna start off with the cleanser. It says Fenty Skin on here, total cleanser. And y'all know, if you have seen her ads, her, you know, other people's videos, it is a removal cleanser. So it's like a makeup remover and cleanser in one. It says hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Now, I hope and pray that this product does not break me out. My acne is not the worst. I just personally feel like it could be better. Of course, like, I don't think there's a person on this earth that doesn't want clear skin. As of right now, I feel like I'm suffering more with dark spots, because once I get a pimple, like, I'm always quick to pop it. So again, hopefully this does not break me out. I don't know if this has a fragrance, but we're gonna open it and see. Hopefully it is not. It's not strong, so like, we're just gonna see. I'm definitely gonna update you guys on like how it's been working for me, if it's done anything. So yeah, and this was $25. So the next product that I bought was the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. I think I'm more excited to try this than the cleanser, because I like when my face, like after I wash my face and I can go over it with like witch hazel and just see everything come out. It says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripped skin. So that's what I need. I need something that is going to make my pores around here look smaller. My dark spots, I told you I'm, you know, struggling with that a little bit. Even skin tone, that correlates. And then, you know, it says fight shine without stripping skin. And I have oily skin, so if you're telling me it's gonna fight the shine, then we're gonna see what it do. This product right here was $28. Again, it says Fenty Skin on it. Let's see if it, what's this for? Okay, I think it comes out, yeah, it comes out from the top. So Yeah, again, it don't really have like a strong smell, so that's good. So yeah, I'm really, like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you are updated with, you know, how these products are working. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do a makeup tutorial with everything I got from Sephora. And then, you know, how it's been going with these products. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, so stay tuned for that. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's like mini little haul. This is like my first time ever doing this video, so like, you know, cut me some slack. Hopefully in the future I could do, you know, a little bit more for you guys of when I go shopping, and especially for makeup, what I buy and how eventually I like the products. Again, all of my social media will be down below for you guys to follow so that you guys stay updated. I will also leave my website down below if you are interested in any of the products I sell, which consists of lip glosses, lip scrubs, body butters, body scrubs, and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that every time I post you will be notified. Like this video, comment, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.